Hi guys, a very good morning. I'm Jashin Kapani. It's 10:50 by the watch. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions, where we have creations in luxury, bespoke, premium, and affordable. So we have lamps, mirrors, consoles, center tables. We have bunker beds, and we have a lot of items which are in corporate gifting and occasional gifting and stuff. And we are based right now in Delhi, which is Delhi NCR for now, which is Sector 8, Noida. But we've got clients all across the world, and Delhi because logistics makes life a lot easier in 2024 to kind of reach any part and any destination of the country. So we've done quite a few projects and stuff, and we are now looking at getting back with full swing and stuff. And yesterday I shared home and office interior solution. So the next one from me, because I'm the brainwave behind this and stuff, I feel warm when I'm in my room, and I thought I'm going to give you an idea on how to do a smashing, aesthetically elegant and gorgeous decor, which is very easy to make yourself at home and stuff. All you need is three, four items. So let's say this is just a bottle that I have, but you have a bigger tumbler, a square, or a long tumbler, a tall one. I mean, I don't have it right now on my table here, but what you could do is you could have something like this with a broad mouth on it. And what you do is that you have water in this, and you put a candle in it. No, not sorry. You kind of have water here, and you put artificial flowers. Let's say you have plastic flowers which are purple in color, red in color, white in color, or whatever. So in the water you put those, and then you put a little bit of pebbles at the bottom and stuff. Any color pebbles, white is a good idea, pink is a good idea. And on top of that you have as a big as radius of the bottle top, you have a candle place which could be in any color, white or whatever, a small sleek one. And then you basically kind of light it, and you have a ready-made candle at home made out of a tumbler. So very simple, it's very easy, and it's one of the signature products of most people internationally. In India, they love candles and stuff. You see them in weddings, you'll see them in luxury events and stuff. You'll see them in hotels and stuff. But if you want to do this something at home, it's a pretty easy thing to do. All you need is, like I said, a bottle, which is a long tumbler. You can have a square one as well if you want, which is of any size, but make sure that it is of the size of the candle, because the candle has to kind of fit into it. So I'll be sharing some pictures on those. So water, then you have pebbles, and you have artificial flowers which may be any color, and you have just the whitish, off whitish candle on top. And if you want to light it up, you can have probably a matchstick, or you can have a lighter or whatever, and you display this wherever, in whatever corner of your room and stuff. So it's also for kind of lighting up the room and kind of giving you a great feeling. And if you have a scented candle, then you don't need to spend extra on these scent oils and stuff and other stuff, which most of us like me usually have, because you want to kind of feel good, or you want to kind of relax and stuff like that. So that's that. You could use a colorful base as well, but white is recommended. A transparent one is recommended. So this is the reason. So thank you for your messages and your likes and your emails. And you can find me on jashinkapani.im@gmail.com, jkapani@gmail.com, and I'm on Instagram and Facebook. But I keep my interaction really very short, and also on WhatsApp, because I've already shared this. I've more or less recovered from cervical. So that's been a miracle for me for now, and I'm sure it's going to go this way, hopefully, inshallah, amen. So I would like to avoid messaging and stuff, because it saves me a lot of energy and stuff, and I don't have to bend. So thanks for your likes and messages. It's great to connect with everybody. Let's try and meet more, let the weather get a little better and stuff. But in the meantime, you could actually have these kind of products around you. Like yesterday was one with the fish and everything, and today is this with the water, because it's going to give you a very cool effect at home or on your desk and stuff. And if you have something not so great happening, you just take a look at maybe the aquarium, or you just take a look at that decor accessory of today's tip on your table, and you're going to start kind of probably feeling great and better, and it may just kind of give you some more ideas on aesthetics, elegance, sophistication, beautification and stuff. So hope this helps. So love and love, take care. Climate is a big concern. We are looking for water bodies everywhere. It feels great to be in the pool and stuff, but if you can have your own water creations where you're sitting and where you are and stuff, so why not start from there. So take care, have a great day ahead, and enjoy a new week, new stuff, new energy. So keep it rocking, keep it amazing, go with the flow and stuff, and remember to take a breather, have a lot of beverages. I'm starting my day as usual on a nice cup of coffee, and I've added some dalchini, which is dalchini, and you can also add ginger. You can add a lot of other items to this, like a cardamom or a cinnamon is what you call it and stuff, and you can really, really enjoy the true essence of Indian cha for now. You can have masala chai as well. So make the best use of the day. Start good and start amazing, and keep the positive energy up and stuff. And remember, you already make a plan for the weekend, so you have a lot of stuff to look forward to. So this weekend we have got the drum circle happening, in Delhi for now. So join us if you can. It's a marathon that's happening, and a second one which is a festival. So all the details are on Delhi Drum Circle, so you can join in. And please remember to take care of your health and stuff. If you have any aches and pains, if you have any pain in the heart or whatever, or if you're feeling a little uncomfortable, do not, avoid meeting a doctor, because it can get a little serious. As per yesterday's interaction with a friend and stuff, they were ignoring the pain in the chest and the heart and stuff. And it was unfortunate. So I would like you to kind of consider that as well, because palpitations, sweating, thinking it's just the weather, or it's just probably a heat stroke or something, has to be looked into and stuff. So taking action ASAP makes sense, but does not mean you have to be panicky about it. Just be sensible around it and stuff. And if you feel that people around you are ignoring their health and stuff, make sure you're the first one to stand up and push them to take them either to a doctor, or get a doctor to them. So enjoy yourself and have a blast, and keep praying, keep sending positive energies. We've had 2 recoveries this week, one of my family members also. So believe in the power of prayers, and keep sending prayers and energies to people, because miracles happen, and collective prayers always work. The rest is the spirit of the person and stuff, but we got to do our work. We got to do our bit. We got to send Daivaku, and we got to be kind of caring for the world, because one world is what the message is. So that's what I feel. So take care and have fun and have a blast. Bye bye, cheers.